guys, we just finished playing around in the water. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are here still on Boracay. We're just walking along the streets. Beautiful place, and we came along to this place over here, like a very popular. This is like for pictures, you know, and then pretty much, yeah, picture taking, and then you guys can rent the paddle boards and the boat as well. And we're gonna go from station 1, 2, and 3, right? So it's pretty long beach, really long walk. So probably it's gonna take about 30 minutes or maybe even more. And then we're just gonna spend time swimming. Let's go for a walk, let's go for a swim, and let's go for sightseeing station 1, 2, and 3. This walk is pretty much a big humongous rock, yeah. And these rocks, they look like a volcanic. There's a saint here, a virgin. That's what I call it, right? A virgin? Or a Virgin Mary? It's not Virgin Mary, it's a different saint. Anyways, I see a lot of people taking pictures here. And of course, they have a little view here from all the people swimming, doing the canoe over here, rental for taking pictures. Every time you come over here, guys, you see the picture, kayaking, paddleboarding. But look at the water over there. So nice, huh?
Yes.
The rock are very sharp, so of course you need to have a shoe. You need to have a shoe and
Water shoes.
yeah, water shoes, and you know, just being carefully walking on top of those rocks. I don't think they allowed you, or you can. I guess there is no. I don't see any sign that you cannot walk on them. Coconut palm on top of this rock. Pretty nice. They had to fill in there, probably put dirt on it, and then the roots will walk through the cracks. Anyway, really nice to walk, take pictures, sightseeing, all those people over there. Okay, each station, you know, they have lifeguards, you know, so it's safer for the tourists. And of course the water is just it's not deep at all, you know. You can go swimming all the way until the greenish turquoise look, because it's very sandy, white sand. You can see through, you know, the water. And if you know how to swim, of course you can go all the way over there, but if you don't, this is really, it's not very deep at all. Like my wife, she just stay on there. There is water to her knees because she cannot swim. But yesterday, no, not yesterday, I think the day before yesterday, we rented a paddleboard, which, you know, if you've seen my other video, just for her to stay, you know, next to me, because she cannot swim. At least she can, you know, use the paddleboard. But it's so beautiful, guys. It has been raining today, this morning. It was raining really hard. But right now it's about maybe 9:30 a.m. and it's getting, you know, we're getting some sun, so it's getting better. I haven't seen a lot of like tourists from maybe US, Canada. I have seen more a lot of Koreans, you know, Chinese, and of course local people traveling around their country, you know. But not so many. Like I expected to see a lot of white people, you know, white tourists, you know, Caucasian, but not so many. At least not on this island of Boracay.
Maybe they are in Palawan.
Maybe they went to different places, yeah, around Philippines.
Maybe they are in Thailand.
Yeah, or maybe they are all in Thailand right now. Which we're gonna leave tomorrow. Tomorrow we're leaving back to Manila, and then we spend a day and a half there, and then we leave on the next day and back to Thailand. I think we're getting to the end of station number 1. As you can see, the station number 1 is just pretty much a hotel and restaurants. It's very quiet. That's what I'm trying to say. It's very quiet area. There is not much activity. like you will see in station number 2 and probably 3, because I see way too many people, and there are just like restaurants, and the area is more beautiful, more attractive to go to, because you can see all the coconut trees, and people walk between the coconut trees and the stores and restaurants and the mall. Palenque? Palenque Mall. Yeah, so very different side, different views, you know, but it's still beautiful. As you can see over there, there's still people, and the water, the beach is still nice, white sand beaches, you know, it's still a single one, so it's nice too. It's just a different vibe. I guess if you want to be on the quiet side,
Yeah,
you go to
But
station 1.
Yeah, that area is more expensive.
Oh really? Because
Yes.
it's more quiet?
No, because of the hotel.
People here waiting for their island hopping tours. You see all those boats over there. It fills up really quick. Way too many people want to enjoy their day here island hopping. Yeah, every time you're walking over here, guys, you're gonna find people trying to sell a tour or rent any like kayak or boat. Yeah, as you can see here, it's really busy area, and this is the place where almost everyone here, like TikTokers, Instagrammers, they're all taking pictures. All the girls, the very beautiful girls, are over here on this side, all the way to probably all the way to 3. But it's really nice area over here, and that's why people, I guess, choose to come because of the coconut tree. It looks the place more attractive, you know, just to hang out. I see a lot of locals, and probably, I don't know, Koreans and stuff sitting down under the trees. But yeah, this area is much attractive, beautiful, just to sit down. Yeah, station number 2. This is all the party happen, you know. At night it's beautiful too. Alright, we're walking through station number 2. Yeah, we can walk over here, guys. There's some parts that are a little bit rocky, you know, but 99.9% of the sand is just sand, you know, so it's really safe to walk without shoes or sandal, you know, anything. All I can tell you, this place is really beautiful. The beaches are really nice, really beautiful, crystal clear water, and that's one of my favorite things here, the sand and the water. Really, I enjoy swimming over here. Unfortunately, my wife cannot swim at all, zero, and she doesn't want to learn. You have to learn, Corazon, because, you know, we're gonna live here for a while, Southeast Asia, so you need to go swimming with me, not just paddle boarding and then life jacket. She has to learn how to swim. I feel more safe on myself, you know, if she knew how to swim, because, you know, I kind of like swim and then I had to get out and watch for her. She's still on top of the paddleboard. Yeah, so if I will feel more comfortable knowing that she knows how to swim, you know. Okay, on this side it looks busier than number 2. Okay, we finally are on station number 3, and we just keep walking. Actually, it's a little bit tiring, huh? Because the sun, and then this beach in number 2, number 3 is like a little slope that you go down. So we were just walking on the side of the water there. So walking for a while now, you get tired because you kind of like your body is not even. Kind of you're putting more pressure on the right leg. you had to come. We had to come all the way to the top of the slope in order for us to feel more balance, I guess, or our body is not like twisted. But yeah, I think I like more the station number 2. There's a lot of shopping store here. So we're going back now. We decided to go back from station 3 to 1. And this is what I was talking about between the coconut tree and the shops. It's just like a long walk path, you know, for everyone to stop by and get anything from the shops over here. See, my wife is getting something here. I have no idea what it is, but taho, something like a cheese. Okay, thank you. I don't know what it is. What it is, corazón? It's kind of like
Tofu, soft tofu.
tofu. At least it's healthy.
Tapioca pearls and then brown sugar syrup.
Oh, okay. Oh, enjoy, corazón.
Taho.
Taho. Oh, thank you. Yeah, a lot of people are just trying to make money whatever way they can, you know. But mostly it's just like selling tours, and of course the pearls, you know, the necklaces, pearls, and then bracelets, rings. This is the real pearl, at least, you know. Oh. Just enjoy the view, the water, the swimming, which we're gonna do just in a minute. We're going back to station number 1 because I really like that beach. I really like the environment there. It's like less crowded, and also we will get a paddleboard for my wife since she doesn't know how to swim. Anyway guys, let me get something to drink and then we'll go swimming. We're gonna rent one of those paddleboards and we're gonna enjoy the rest of the day. Guys, we just finished playing around the water with the paddleboard and swimming. Now we're going back to the hotel. Alright guys, I think we have enough for right now. We've been walking towards the hotel now. We're going through the mall here. By station 1 and we're station 2. So right now we're just going there and then we're gonna take a shower because you feel a little bit icky, you know, from swimming at the ocean, salty. So anyway guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next video. Stay tuned for more videos from Vic Moreno. Stay fit. Bye bye. Peace.